So how do we actually connect our PlayStation 4 here, as you can see, to our monitor? And you can see it works without any problems here whatsoever on the monitor. So to be able to do so, what you need to do firstly is to grab your PlayStation, and then at the back you will see two outlets that we need to focus on. The first one is the HDMI cable here, so we need to insert the HDMI cable here, and the other end is going to go to your monitor. So for me, it goes up here. As you can see, it's a bit hard to film, but it's up here that I needed to connect it. It's the HDMI cable. And the other end is going to be the power cable. This one is the easiest one. So this right here is a power cable just connected to a power source somewhere. So basically just find like a power source and connect to it. And once you have done so, then the next step is going to be for you to find the power button. So for me, the power button is right here. So I have to click on it. You can see there's a light turning on, and then it's gonna be connected here. And you can see now I'm able to use my PlayStation without any problems here on my monitor. So basically that is exactly how to connect it.